How to do: set up a new printer on a PC. With all those cords and plugs and disks, a new printer can be a bit intimidating. Cut through the confusion, and you'll soon be all set up. Instructions: Step 1. Open Printers and Faxes in the Start menu to start installation for printers that don't support plug and play. Click on Add Printer, located in the left menu of the window. Step 2. Click Local Printer, and uncheck the option to automatically detect a plug and play printer. Click Next. Select LPT1 as the printer port, and then click Next. Step 3. Follow the instructions provided to complete the installation of your printer. When you see an icon for your new printer in the Printers and Faxes window, you're ready to print. Did you know, using original blueprints from the 19th century, the Science Museum in London built a replica of the first printer ever designed? The machine, finished in 1991, weighs 2½ tons. Quick tip: if your printer includes a wireless connection, you can network it to one or multiple computers without using cords. Step 4. Follow the Found New Hardware Wizard instructions that appear on the screen to complete the installation using plug and play. Step 5. See if your computer and printer support plug and play, letting you install it without a disk. Most new printers do. Quick tip: check your printer's packaging. Many manufacturers clearly advertise on the box that the printer supports plug and play. Step 6. Plug the power cord of your printer into an outlet, and turn the printer on. If your printer supports plug and play, Windows will automatically recognize your printer. Step 7. Take your new printer out of the box. Find the manual and follow the instructions to connect the printer to your computer and install the ink cartridges.